Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start the setting reaction of zinc phosphate cement. This is very important, so focus on this topic. Setting reaction of zinc phosphate cement. When the powder is mixed with the liquid, phosphoric acid attacks the surface of the particles and releases zinc ion. So when the powder is mixed with liquid, the phosphoric acid from the liquid will attack the surface of the powder particles, and this will release the zinc ions. The aluminum in the liquid is essential for cement formation. So which ingredient from the liquid is essential for cement formation? So aluminum present in the liquid is essential for the cement formation. The aluminum complexes with the phosphoric acid and zinc ions to form zinc aluminophosphate gel. So this aluminum from the liquid will complexes with the phosphoric acid and zinc ions, and this will form the zinc aluminophosphate gel. So this is the second setting reaction of the zinc phosphate cement. And very important MCQ, that this reaction is the exothermic reaction. So this reaction is the exothermic reaction. You have to remember it, that this reaction is the exothermic reaction. So again I will tell you about setting reaction of zinc phosphate cement. When powder is mixed with the liquid, phosphoric acid attacks the surface of the particles and releases zinc ion. So when powder is mixed with liquid, phosphoric acid from the liquid will attack the surface of the particles, and this will release the zinc ions. And the aluminum in the liquid is essential for the cement formation. So the aluminum in the liquid is essential for the zinc formation. The aluminum complexes with the phosphoric acid and the zinc ions. This released aluminum complexes with this released zinc ions and phosphoric acid, and this will form zinc aluminophosphate gel, and this whole reaction is the exothermic reaction. So this is the setting reaction of the zinc phosphate cement. Now the structure of this cement: unreacted zinc oxide particles present in cohesive matrix of zinc aluminophosphate gel. So these unreacted zinc oxide particles present in the zinc aluminophosphate gel. So this is the structure of the set cement. Now the net setting time. So this is very important. You have to remember the net setting time of the type 1 and type 2 cement. So according to ISO 19017-1/2007, net setting time can vary from 2.5 to 8 minutes for luting type of cement, and 2.6 to 6 minutes for type 2 cement. So for luting cements, 2.5 to 8 minutes. For base and lining cement, setting time is 2.5 to 6 minutes. So this is the setting time of the type 1 and type 2 cement.